بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Surah Al An'am is the 6th chapter of the Quran. The name Al An'am translates to the cattle or the livestock in English. This surah consists of 165 verses, ayat, and covers a range of themes including the oneness of God, the role of prophets, guidance for human conduct, and the consequences of disbelief. Here are some key themes and topics covered in Surah Al An'am. Oneness of God, Tawhid. The surah emphasizes the oneness of God, rejecting polytheism and calling people to worship the one true God. Prophethood and Guidance. The surah discusses the role of prophets in delivering God's guidance to humanity. It mentions several prophets, including Noah, Abraham, Moses, and others. The creation and signs of God. Verses describe the creation of the heavens and the earth as signs of God's power, wisdom, and mercy. The prohibition of idolatry. There is a strong condemnation of idol worship and a call to turn away from false deities. Guidance for human conduct. The surah provides guidance on ethical behavior, justice, and the prohibition of certain actions. Accountability and the Day of Judgment. The concept of accountability in the hereafter is emphasized, where individuals will be judged for their deeds. Challenges faced by prophets. The surah recounts the challenges faced by prophets in conveying the message of monotheism and the opposition they encountered. Consequences of disbelief. There are warnings about the consequences of rejecting God's guidance and persisting in disbelief. The Quran as a clear guidance. The surah affirms that the Quran is a clear and comprehensive guidance for humanity.